More than half of all sewage manholes in Germany are in need of rehabilitation. The solution? The Brandenburger BB2.5 vertical.
We developed a manhole liner that is delivered to the construction site as bulk stock. On site, all you have to do is measure the depth of the manhole and cut the liner to size. With a few easy steps, the liner is prepared for installation. One advantage of our system is that we need very little space. Depending on water flow, we may not even have to seal the area around the manhole, which saves us using pumps. We insert the liner using a hoist. By gradually increasing pressure, we ensure that the liner creates a good fitting to the manhole. The special feature of the liner is that it fits manholes of all shapes. After a short hardening period, the liner head is trimmed to leaf trap level. The intakes are opened, the drain hole cut out, and the manhole connected to the main sewer. And then we go to the next construction site.
Did we convince you? Get in touch with us.